99% of people drink water the wrong way, and it could be silently harming their health. Are you making these mistakes? By the end of this video, you'll know the right way to drink water and how small changes can boost your health in just 7 days. Let's dive in. The first mistake: not drinking water before bed. Most people avoid water at night because they're afraid of waking up to use the bathroom. But according to Dr. Fedor Grigorovich, a famous Russian doctor who lived over 100 years ago, drinking a glass of water about an hour before bed can actually help your body repair itself while you sleep. When you're asleep, your body works hard to heal tissues, process nutrients, and flush out toxins. Water supports this process by keeping your kidneys functioning and your cells hydrated. The key is to drink just 1 glass, enough to stay hydrated, but not so much that you wake up during the night. Try this for a few nights. You might wake up feeling more refreshed than ever. Here's the second mistake: drinking water too quickly. Many people chug large amounts of water at once, thinking it's the best way to stay hydrated. It's not. Your body absorbs water more efficiently when you sip it slowly throughout the day. When you flood your system with too much water at once, your kidneys work harder to filter it out, and you actually lose more than you absorb. Instead, keep a water bottle nearby and take small sips every hour. This keeps your energy up, your mind sharp, and your organs functioning properly. Set a reminder if you tend to forget. Consistency is key. Mistake number 3: drinking cold water. Cold water might feel refreshing, but it can disrupt your digestion. When you drink cold water, your body has to work harder to warm it up, slowing down the digestive process and sometimes causing stomach discomfort. Instead, choose room temperature or warm water, especially during meals. This simple switch can improve your digestion, circulation, and even help your body absorb nutrients better. Another common mistake: drinking too much water during meals. Gulping down water while eating dilutes your stomach acid, making it harder to break down food and absorb nutrients. Dr. Grigorovich recommended drinking water 30 minutes before or an hour after meals for the best digestion. If you get thirsty while eating, just take small sips. This simple habit can prevent that heavy, bloated feeling after meals and improve nutrient absorption. Now, here's a mistake almost everyone makes: not knowing how much water your body actually needs. Dr. Grigorovich believed the right amount of water depends on your weight. Here's a simple formula: multiply your weight by 30 to 40 milliliters. For example, if you weigh 50 kilograms, aim for 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily. If you're active or live in a hot climate, you might need a bit more. Track your intake for a few days and adjust based on how you feel. This personalized approach is much better than a one-size-fits-all recommendation. Drink water before you exercise. Hydrating before physical activity helps your muscles perform better, prevents cramps, and maintains your electrolyte balance. Without enough water, you're more likely to feel fatigued or overheat. For the best results, drink a small glass of water 20 to 30 minutes before your workout. This simple step can improve your endurance and make your workouts feel easier. Finally, make sure your water is clean. The quality of your water matters as much as the quantity. Impurities and chemicals in unfiltered water can burden your organs and weaken your immune system. Dr. Grigorovich emphasized drinking clean, mineral-rich water like filtered or spring water. If possible, invest in a high-quality water filter, or choose mineral water to ensure you're getting essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. This small change can make a huge difference in your overall health. Here's a bonus tip: start your day with a glass of water. Drinking water first thing in the morning rehydrates your body, jumpstarts your metabolism, and flushes out toxins from the night before. It's a simple habit that can improve your energy levels and mental clarity. Swap your morning coffee for water and feel the difference. By following these simple water drinking secrets, you can improve your health in just 7 days. Small changes can lead to big results, and the best part? These tips are easy to start today. Which of these habits are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Your body will thank you.